Hello everybody and welcome back to the shop. Today I am going to go ahead and build a stand for my new portaband. Now I would probably love to have a DeWalt or a Milwaukee or a Makita, but unfortunately I can't. So I bought a Bauer. It's on sale this weekend at the big January blowout sale for $94. Best price I have seen ever. 99 is the going rate. So what I was able to do is go ahead and get the model that has the name cast into the side of it. They've done a better job of improving, but this is model 63763. There are 3 model numbers associated with the portaband. The original 63444, I believe it is the one with the sticker. And then this one here is the second model number in sequence, and it has the name cast into the side. I thought, hey, that's a step up, a little bit more machining costs, casting costs. It's a different color, a little darker metal. So nevertheless, I got that today for $94 and change. Very excited about it. From some reviews, I went ahead and got a MK Morrison Company set of blades for it. They work really good. Set of 3, got them off Amazon for 17 and change. I'm using my little Colossal Tech Cut 50F that I got, 220 volt 50 amp plasma cutter. I'm using that to cut 1/4 inch plate. To save time, I went ahead and cut everything out. There were a few designs on YouTube that work really well. I put measurements on here just so that people could see what the measurements are. We'll go through this. So right here, this is the base. It's going to be an 18-inch base, 4 inches wide. Right here is going to be 3-inch wide, 18-inch long stand. That'll raise the saw actually a couple inches off so that the power cord and the bottom of the saw isn't obstructed. This is going to be the cut top, 12 inches wide by 9 inches deep. That may end up being too big actually. I don't know, we'll see. 1/4 inch plate, it's got some heft to it and some weight. I'm just gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do that. There have been a couple of great YouTube videos where they've used quick release for bicycles, drilled and tapped, and then they tighten those. We may do that, may not. There's an awesome design where a gentleman has taken plate, notched a V in the plate, and then put steel rod through the handle right here of the unit and then hung it on there. There are others that have taken the plate, put it at an angle, and just let the handle go right in. So we may do that. I've got some square stock if I need to cut that out and maybe do something a little different. We will see how it goes. This is just the intro of this. I'm going to go ahead and weld it up. I don't have the ability to set a camera and weld. Just want to show people the major pieces. Awesome videos online, but nobody says, hey, here are the dimensions and the pieces. Thought I would do that. If anyone was wondering about 63763, that's what it looks like right there. It has it cast into the side. I think it may be a little bit nicer casting job and ultimately a nicer machine, but we will see how it holds up. All right, I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much. I'll come back and I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. But although I don't have all the cash, I bought my little Colossal Tech. It works well. My little Harbor Freight Vulcan welder 220 works awesome for me. Now we'll see how this Bauer holds out. Have a good day. Okay everybody, well we're back. In the shop, there's the mock-up of the bandsaw stand. I had to modify the design I was going to do. I was going to do the round bar through the handle into a saddled type position, but that was not really going to work out very well for me. The measurements weren't there like I needed it to be. I don't know if that they made a little change or whatever, but nevertheless this worked out. This is a similar design on YouTube. It's sitting on a piece of plate there. What will eventually happen is that plate will be welded to some 2-inch stock so that I can make a receiver hitch system for my welding table, where I can change vices, saws, anything I need out on the table, make it more versatile so it's not just locked in there. But nevertheless, there it is. I could not find a clamp at my local hardware store, so I didn't want to drive all the way back over to Harbor Freight. A little bit for me. So I went ahead and just used a zip tie for now. I will get a momentary switch pedal. That'll turn it on so I can step on the pedal when I need it, get off the pedal when I'm done. But no worries. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. It's stable. I've cut with it. The bad thing is, right here on the tray that comes with it, I've got a piece of stock here. If you take a piece of stock, for instance, and you're cutting it, that screw is not recessed. So that makes this a little bit of a problem. I don't know if I'm going to have to find a different screw that is a tapered head, so it'll go down in there and fully recess in. Then I'm just going to make the clamp, bring this all the way out, make the clamp that'll clamp the table onto it. I didn't finish the table today. I'll save that for another day. Got some other projects here in the shop I need to wrap up before I call it a weekend. Anyway, I'm very pleased with it. That's what the Bauer model looks like with the embossed logo in the casting. Runs good, sounds good, cuts good, especially with the new blade in it. So have a good day. Hope this helps somebody. And if you do build something like this, post it so everyone else can see how you've done it, what you have changed, and how you have learned from other people so that we can all get better. Have a good day. Bye-bye.